All right, so we just walked in.
Yeah.
There's like literally no house keys here.
Correct, and that's special because all you need is this special key. It's a fob, and this would give you access into your home. No one else has access to your home except for you. If you have a house cleaner, if you have a plant watering service, a dog walker, well then they will check one of these out from the front desk for a half hour or an hour, and then it expires. And there's a log of everything. Wow. So no one has access to it. Yeah.
Super, super secure building.
It is super secure. Now we're going to look at 801, which is on the other side. And it opens directly into your residence as well.
No keys, we just walk right in.
No walk right in. And you know what's great about that vestibule space is that I've seen people put mirrors, I've seen people just customize their home right when they come, you know, a table so you don't forget your keys, those sorts of things to your car, and it's like your own lobby to your own house, for sure. So here's another floor plan. Let's just walk into the main space because it's so spectacular. And of course, now we're facing east and south.
Full-on view of downtown LA on this one.
So again, you know, this side of the building is priced slightly more. So this is in the 11 million range.
Wow.
But look how beautiful the views are. Your views go on forever, and it is truly, truly special, unique, and one of a kind. Isn't this beautiful? So there's so much of like Hollywood history just in this neighborhood, and it just makes it more special for our buyers who spend time here, who love going to all the restaurants, all the clubs, but yet have peace and quiet in their home.
It's like perfect for someone who like spends a couple months out of the year here. They can just lock and leave and come back whenever.
Exactly, and a lot of our buyers are exactly what you described. Yeah, it's a second or third home. But more importantly is not only lock and leave, you feel safe and secure, as you mentioned. Our security components are in place, and everything is at your doorstep that you might want. And of course, West Hollywood, the location is centralized to everything in LA in general. So it's really, really special.
Before we go in, I noticed this balcony. Does it go around the entire unit?
Again, you'll see the uniqueness of our building. Like this one has a pretty significant terrace below us. Every home has an outdoor space and terrace. This terrace is pretty spacious. It does wrap around this particular home itself. So it's special to have so much you can do in terms of space, furniture, tables. We have homes with their own special hot tubs, so you don't have to worry about the hot tub. I'm going to show you that next because you're going to love it. Okay, yeah, you're going to love it. Okay. We're still putting some bedroom furniture in there, so it's not quite completed. It's more rooms, it's more bedrooms. We're going to keep going. We'll keep going. Now I want to share with you a little more about the amenities, because they are special and they complement your lifestyle here at the Pendry residences. We're going to the top floor where you'll find our swimming pool.
All right, we're on the rooftop here.
We are on the rooftop. All right. And so check this out.
Holy moly, look
you
at
have views forever.
Oh my God.
We're literally on top.
Yeah, I like taking people down here. So you talked about a jacuzzi. You have your own private spa or jacuzzi down here.
Jeez. Literally your own because there's nobody here.
Exactly, and it does feel, it lives large, you know. Again, with only 40 residences, everyone's able to enjoy all the amenities.
Wow. Look at that. Now we got really good views up here.
Spectacular. And again, you know, being tied to the hotel makes it special. I've seen residents order a room service and have a beautiful sunset dinner up here, just the two of them and guests. We have these cabanas set up so that you can actually order something. They'll come and deliver, you know, drinks, cocktails, whatever it is that you might need up to your pool area. So again, it's anything you might want is at your disposal. You really, literally do not have to leave, for sure. Certain homes have their own private swimming pool. Certain homes have their own jacuzzi. And certain homes have their own outdoor kitchen. It's spectacular. So I'm going to show you this home with its own pool.
Holy moly, okay.
It's brand new, and we have not released it officially for sale as of yet.
It's exclusive access, guys. No
it is exclusive access.
You're seeing it first. All right, so this is a very private pool. This is your own, your private pool on top of the building.
It's private, and it is beautiful.
Look at this. Wow. Okay.
So your jacuzzi, your pool, and a view, and your outdoor kitchen.
That's pretty cool.
And again, you see how lush the landscaping is. This landscaping is all maintained by the Homeowners Association. So there's nothing you would have to do with the outdoor maintenance for the pool spa and landscaping for that matter. On top of having access to the resident pool and also access to the hotel pool.
Oh,
so
that's 3 pools.
It's 3 pools.
That's a lot of pools.
Your purchase here is all about lifestyle. And it's living, you know, the Montage Pendry lifestyle. So this is kind of like off the tour path, so no one knows this, but I'm showing you guys my favorite home. Okay, over here, you have to see this. Don't tell anyone I brought you over here. Zip it. Look how beautiful this is. Come over here. So this is the neighbors. This is the neighbors' deck. It doesn't have a swimming pool, but it has its own jacuzzi. Okay. So again, bigger deck altogether, outdoor fireplace. And it goes back to what I said earlier, that the uniqueness of our building lies in the fact that you have all these different layouts with their own special features.
Yeah.
And it's everything that you might want, and then some.
Every one of them is different.
Yeah. I think Angel needs to live here. This is Angel's home. That's what I see.
I love that.
I think so.
I'll stay at the hotel.
Now I'm going to show you the other amenities that make the building special.
Check out these floor, guys. This is herringbone, right?
It's herringbone. But you're right, it is beautiful. It's a unique touch. Again, they paid attention to all the details in our building. Come on in. So if you wanted to have a get together with friends, have a glass of wine or whiskey tasting, just
personal storage space for
your alcohol. So again, it's special just to have. You may use it when you have friends over before you head out onto the town and
pre-gaming.
A little pregame, yeah. So here's the fitness facility.
All right.
And again, you know, we all want a fitness facility in our building. This one is spacious enough, and you're going to find that you can have your personal trainer here at any time, or the resident concierge, director of residences, can arrange for a personal trainer. And then you have access to this gym, and you also have access to the gym at the hotel as well.
24 hours a day.
Correct. And it is a little larger and has a yoga room if you like yoga.
Oh, sure.
You know. Also, what's great is if you wanted to have a little party or get together, if you want to make a mess and not in your home, come into the owner's lounge. Wow. What I love about this owner's lounge is that it's set up so that you can have a big party or just a boardroom. And I gotta tell you, my favorite is foosball. Wow, and I grew up with foosball. You guys, I'm so good.
Right,
if you want to win.
No, we gotta go. Come on. We gotta play one round here.
Let me tell you.
All right, this is for drinks.
I'm pretty good, okay?
Okay.
I'm pretty good. I usually like the partners, but you know, we'll do one-on-one action.
We'll do one-on-one, all right.
You ready?
Yep. Push it through.
Okay. Let's do one more.
All right, you ready?
Okay.
All right, he's taking it.
Okay, all right.
Sorry.
No,
you're good.
No, he's my guest, you guys. He's my guest, and he should like.
Pretty good.
Let's try. No, try again. Try again. Try again.
There you go.
Okay.
He's taking it.
Okay.
He's taking it.
Okay, go. No, yeah, go. Okay. Oh.
This table is so beautiful.
Isn't it beautiful?
Play on it.
Yeah.
All right. I got one. Thank you.
Nice.
He let me have that one.
It's all here at the Pendry Residences. That's why you can't go anywhere else. And of course, if you want to order drinks through the hotel, it can be accommodated. We have a beverage menu here, so you can just call and they'll accommodate for
anywhere.
you. Okay. Okay.
All right, where are we at?
It's bocce ball. Foosball was great, but how's your bocce ball?
How do you play bocce?
You know,
I played this before. I forgot how to.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna try to get close to that. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay. Go, and then we just keep going. Oh. Okay. Keep going.
So the closest to that wins.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Let's go. You guys ready?
Yep.
Watch this.
Go.
I'm good. I'm kind of like a little hyper, so I kind of my ball.
I don't know. I think I got you on this.
Oh,
I think I got you on this.
He is a pro at bocce ball. Who knew?
So Angel, thanks for coming by. Such a pleasure seeing you. As always, Angel is one of my favorites, so glad he's here, and I can't wait to work with you here at Pendry Residences.
Thank you for forcing me to take a shot with you.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.